all of you. Hope you all are good and safe at home. Today I am again here, the teacher of maths. I was gonna start the new lesson, but before starting the lesson, as usual, I will share the instructions with you. Be attentive and listen carefully. No disturbance during teaching. If you have any queries, so you may ask after teaching. Listen complete teaching with full attention. Don't involve other activities during teaching. You have to sit along your required subject book, copy, rough copy, and your proper stationery box. You can ask question by writing in the chat box. Take a screenshot of each slide. These are the today's instructions. Hope you understand and follow them. Now we are moving towards our lesson. This is our lesson number 14, and we will learn in this lesson counting in numbers and the revision. What we will learn? Counting in numbers and revision. Why we are doing the revision? Because our syllabus of till August has been completed. Our syllabus till August has been completed. Only counting is remaining, so we will do the counting in this lesson and then we will revise all the things. You know that your test is going to be held in the next month, so you have to revise all the things. So whatever I will share with you today, you have to revise these all the things for your preparation of test. Okay, so first we will move towards the today's topic. Today's topic is right counting in numbers from 1 to 300. Right counting in numbers from 1 to 300. Write the counting in numbers from 1 to 100. This is the way of writing the numbers. You can see the page of counting on your screen. Your copy is like this, uh, which I am sharing here. Your copy is also like this. Your copy has boxes, so you will use this proper way of writing the counting in your fair copy. Okay, first you will mention tens and ones, units, tens and units, and then start the counting. On each row you will first mention tens and units and then you will write the counting in numbers. This counting you have to write in your fair copy or subject copy, okay, with the proper way. First you will write the question, write the counting in numbers from 1 to 100, and then you will follow this pattern. Okay, you will use the first two rows for writing the numbers and then leave one row. After it, then start the next counting. Okay, after it, start the next counting. Always give a space between the one counting row. Okay, when you will write 1 to 10, you will leave one row, then you will start from 11 to 20, then leave one row and then start from 21 to 30 as I have shared you. Okay, you will leave one row after each counting. This is from 50. Now see the 100. You will use this pattern. You can take the screenshot of these two slides to follow the patterns of writing the numbers. Okay, you will use this pattern for writing the numbers from 1 to 100 and then write the counting in numbers from 101 to 40. I am sharing here from 101 to 40, but you have to write from 101 to 300. Okay, in your syllabus you have the counting from 1 to 300, so you will write counting in your fair copy from 1 to 300 till 100. I have shared with you. Now I am sharing how you will write counting from 101 to 300. I am just sharing here till 140. This is the way of writing counting from 101 to 140. You will use this pattern. You will mention 100, tens and unit, 100, tens and unit, and then you will write counting. Okay, here you will use first three columns, first three columns for writing the 100, tens and unit, and then start the counting. In the first row You will just write from 101 to 110, and then from the second row you will leave one column, and then you will start the second row from 111 to 120. Don't write 121 under the 120. Okay, don't write 121 under the 120. Always start from 1 to 10 from the new row. Okay, from the new row. You can see here I have in the first row I just write from 101 to 110, and in the second row I start from 11 to 20. So you will use this pattern in your copy. Okay, use this pattern. Don't do your own choice. Do this pattern, follow this pattern for writing the numbers, and do the work very neat and clean. You have to do these all workings in your fair copy from 1 to 100, and then you will start from 101 to 300. Okay, I just share till 140 because I am just sharing the uh, proper way of writing, proper way of writing, and the pattern of writing, how you will write the counting. Okay, this is a pattern only. You will not follow this one. You will follow the pattern only, and you will write the counting from 101 to 300 in your fair copy. Okay, after completing the counting, hope you have understood. After completing the counting, write the fill in the blanks. These are the missing numbers from your counting. Write fill in the blanks. Write the numbers and they put comma, then put the blank, and then comma, then write the number, then comma, then put the blank, comma, number 57. Okay, you will use these proper way of writing the number, and you can use the blue pencil if you want, if you are doing the neat and clean work. Okay, so you can use a blue pencil, otherwise use only pencil and do the work neat and clean. Follow this. You can also take the screenshot of this slide and follow this pattern. You will write the number, then blank, then number, then blanks too, and then number. After completing it, you will put the answers. What will be the answer? In the first one, we have number 52. What will come after 52? What will come? 53. Then 54 is given to you. 54, then 55, then 56, then 57. Now in the second row, we have a number 123. 123. What will come after 123? 124. 125. 126 is given, then 127. Okay, in the third one, we have a number 199. We have a number 199. What will come after 199? What will come after 199? 200. Yes, 200, then 201, 202, 203 is given, then 204. The fourth one, first number is missing, and we have the second number 171. 171. What will come before 171? What will come? 170. 170, then 171 is given, 172 is given, 173, then 174. The last one we have 264. What will come after 264? 265, 266, 267 is given, 268. This is the fill in the blanks. You will follow this pattern and you will use the proper writing and neat and clean work in your subject copy. Now we are moving, this was the today's topic, counting. Now we are moving towards the revision. We are moving towards the revision, and please do the working with me. Okay, kindly solve the sums with me and check yourself how much you have prepared yourself for the test. Okay, okay, we starting the revision. Our first topic is related to the comparison. Our first topic is related to the comparison. What is the question? Look at the animals. Look at the animals in each box and circle the one that is bigger. You have to see the animals, and from each box you will circle the bigger one. You will circle the bigger one. See the first column. In the first column we have two animals. One is elephant and one is rat. Who is bigger? Obviously, elephant is bigger. Who is bigger? Elephant. You will do the circle on it. Okay. The next one we have a tiger and lion and a ant. Lion and ant. Which is bigger? Which is bigger? Lion is bigger. Okay. Lion is bigger. We put the circle on the lion. Now in the third one we have a snail and we have a kangaroo. We have a snail and we have a kangaroo. Which is bigger? Kangaroo is bigger. So we will put the circle on kangaroo. Okay, in the fourth one, we have a camel and a cat. We have a camel and a cat. Which one is bigger? Which is bigger? Cat? No, cat is smaller. Who is bigger? Camel is bigger. So we'll put the circle on the camel. Okay. Hope you have remembered these things. You have learned these things before. Okay. This was the first division about the comparison. Now we are moving towards the next. This is also related to the comparison one. Circle the biggest picture in each row. We have three pictures in each row and we have to search the biggest one from the each and we have to put the circle on it. We have to search the biggest one from the each row and we have to put the circle on them. In the first row we have mushrooms. We have mushroom. Or which one is bigger from these three? Which one is biggest from these three? Center one. Which one? This one is bigger. So we'll put the circle on it. This one is biggest. Okay. In the second row we have bees. We have bees. We have three bees. So now search which one is biggest from three. Yes, this is big. This is bigger and this is biggest. This is biggest. So we'll put the circle on it. We will put the circle on it. Now in the third row we have eraser. We have eraser. First we have a big eraser. Second we have a biggest eraser and the last we have bigger eraser. So where we have to put the circle? We have to put the circle on the biggest one. So in the center we have the biggest eraser. Okay. Now in the last column we have trees. What we have? Trees. We have three trees. First one, center one is big, first one is bigger and the last one is biggest. So we will put the circle on the last one. This is the biggest tree. Okay. Hope you have understood. Now move towards the next. Here we are also related from the comparison. Circle the object that is heavier. Each box has two pictures and we have to find the heavier one from the each. We have to find the heavier one from the each. See the first box. Here we have a dropper and a leaf. A dropper and a leaf. So which is heavier? Obviously the dropper is heavier. So we'll put the circle on the dropper. The second one we have a lamp and a pin. A lamp and a pin. So which will be heavier? Which will be heavier? Lamp will be heavier. So we'll put the circle on the lamp. Okay, the third one we have a stapler and a pencil. We have a stapler and a pencil. So which will be heavier? Stapler or pencil? Yes, stapler will be heavier. So we'll put the circle on the stapler. Okay, the third one we have a football and a trolley. A football and a trolley. So which will be heavier? Have you find the answer? Which will be heavier? Yes, trolley will be heavier. So we put the circle on the trolley. Okay. Fifth one is there is a pigeon and a dice. What is here? Pigeon and a dice. So which will be heavier? Pigeon will be heavier. We will put the circle on the pigeon. Now in the last one we have a fish, a whale fish and a key. We have a whale fish and a key. So which will be heavier? In these two, which will be heavier? Have you searched the answer? Yes, I hope you have searched. You all are very intelligent students. Okay, good. So the fish is heavier. Fish is heavier. Okay, good. Now we are moving towards the next one. Heavy or light. Here we will compare the two things as heavy or light. Which object is heavy? Tick in the box. Which object is heavy? Tick in the box. In the first column, in the first box, we have a pumpkin and an apple. We have a pumpkin and an apple. So which will be heavy? Which will be heavy from these two? Pumpkin will be heavy. So we'll put the take on the pumpkin. We will put the take on the pumpkin. Okay, the second one we have a pin and a nail. We have a pin and a nail. So which is heavier from these two? Which is heavy? Obviously the nail is heavier than the pin. The nail is heavier than the pin. Okay, the third one we have a plate and a table. We have a plate and a table. So which will be heavier from these two? Which will be heavier from these two? Obviously the table will be heavier. Okay, so we'll put the take on the table. Table is heavy than the plate. Okay, the last one we have two types of fish. We have two types of fish. First one is dolphin and the other one is simple fish. So which will be heavy? Which will be heavy? Dolphin will be heavy. So we put the take on the dolphin. Okay. Hope you have understood and you have remembered these all things that you have learned these all things. Okay. Now the second question is which object is light? Which object is light? Tick in the box. Same as, but here we have to find the lighter object. Okay. Here we have a fur and a tree. Okay, we have a fur and a tree. Which will be lighter? Tree or fur? Fur will be lighter. So we will put the take on it. Okay. The second one we have a paper and a ball. We have a paper and a football. So which will be lighter? Paper will be lighter. So we will put the take on the paper. In the third one, we have a toy bicycle and a toy car. We have a toy bicycle and a toy car. So which will be heavier from these two? Cycle will be heavier than the toy car. Okay. Cycle will be lighter than the toy car. Okay. In the last one, we have a cup and a balloon. We have a cup and a balloon. So, which will be lighter from these two? Balloon will be lighter, okay? Balloon will be lighter than the cup. Okay. Now we are moving towards the next. Here you have to put the take the correct one. You will read the statement from each box and you will tick on the correct one. In the first box, they are asking which is longer. Here you have to find which is longer. So first ruler is longer. So we put the tick on it. In the second one, which is shorter. We have two erasers. Which is shorter? Second one is shorter. So we put the tick on it. In the third one, they are talking about the shorter. Which pencil is shorter? First one or second one? Second one pencil is shorter, so we put the tick on it. In the fourth one, which is longer? We have two types of pens. Which is longer? Second one is longer. We put the tick on it. Okay, in the fifth one, which is longer? We have two watches, wrist watches. So which is longer? First one or second one? Pink one or blue one? Yes, blue one is longer, so we put the tick on it. Which is shorter? There is a pouch. We have two pouches. So which one is shorter? Second one is shorter. Second one is shorter. Okay. Now move towards the next. Here we are going to learn the new thing, what comes between. What comes between? Between means center. Between means it's in the center. So example is given to us 23, 24 and 25. Which number is in the center? 24 is in the center. Now we have to put the numbers in each truck in the center. Okay, we have to put the numbers in the center of the numbers. So the 91, then what will come after 92, 91? Okay, sorry, we are solving here 67, then dash and then 69. So what will come after 67? 68. What will come after 67? 68. Now we will solve this one. 91, then what will come after 91? 92 and then 93. Okay, the third one, 35. What will come after 35? 36, then 37. Now 53, what will come in the center? 54, 55. Now 31, what will come in the center? 32, then 33. Now 87, what will come after 87? What will come? 88 and then 89. Now we have 74. What will come in the center? 75, then 76. Now 46. What will come in the center? 47, then 48. In the last 28, then 29 and 30. This is the numbers what comes in the center or the between. Now the next one, write the number that comes before. Write the number that comes before and after. Write the numbers that comes before and after. These numbers will come before. These numbers are called before and these numbers will called after. These numbers will before and these number will be after. First we will put the before number. We will put the number that comes before. So before 34, what will come? 34 before 33. 33, 34, then 35. 33, 34, then 35. Now move towards the next. We have the number 56. What will come before 56? 55, then 56 and 57. After the number is 57. Next is 12. What will come before 12? 11. 12. And what will be after? 12 after 13. Now we have 39. What comes before? 38. And what comes after? 40. We have number 84. What comes before? 83, then 84, then 85. 90. What comes before? 89, then 91. 70. What comes before? What comes? 69, then 71. What comes before 64? 63. And what comes after? 65. Okay, now the next one. Here we have to write the expanded form of the following. You have learned these things. What is the expanded form? When we write the numbers separately, so it is called the expanded form of the numbers. The numbers are given and we will separate them. First number is 30. So in the 30 we have two digits. In the expanded form we will write the first number. What is the first number? 3 plus then 0. So it will equal to 30. So this is called the expanded form. This is called the expanded form of the numbers. Second number is 36. Second number is 36. So what will be the expanded form? Which number we will write first? We will write first 3, then 6 and it will become 36. Third number is 39. Third number is 39. Which number will come first? 3, then 9 equal to 39. Now the next is 33. Which number will come first? 3, then 3 equal to 33. 37. Which number will come first? 3, then 7 equal to 37. Last number is 32. The expanded form of 32 is 3 plus 2 equal to 32. This is called the expanded form of the number. So it may become in your test, so you have to follow it and remember these all things. Okay, the next one, count and put the sign greater than, less than and equal to. Put count and put the sign less than, greater than and equal to. Okay, we have the pictures, you have to count the pictures and then you will put the signs. In the first one we have the picture of heart. So in the both sides, how many pictures we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And the second side, 1, 2, 3. We have the same pictures from both sides. So which sign we will put? We will put equal to. We will put equal to. Okay. In the second one we have 1 star and the other side we have 2 stars. 1 star and 2 stars. So which sign we will put? We will put less than. 1 is less than 2. Okay. Okay. The next one is, here we have 4 faces. How many faces? Left side we have 4 faces and the right side we have how many faces? Let's count. Hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 faces. So which sign will become? Less than. Because at the left hand side we have the less faces and the right side we have the more faces. Okay. See, go to the next. Here we have ice cream cone. How many ice cream cones from the left side? We have 6 ice cream cones on the left side and 3 at the right side. So which sign will come? Which sign will come? Greater than, because in the left hand side we have more ice creams than the right hand side. Okay. Now the next one we have flowers. We have flowers. How many flowers on the left hand side? 6. And the right hand side we have 3 flowers. So left hand side we have more flowers, so we'll put the greater than sign. Okay. In the next one we have egg. We have egg. We have 4 eggs one side and the 4 eggs from the second side. So we have the same numbers of eggs from both sides. So we put the sign equal to. As these, we will solve these all things and we will put these all signs in these pictures. I am just putting the sign. Okay. We have greater than sign, less than sign, less than, greater than and greater than. Okay, now move towards the next. We have very short time. Now write first, second and third and fourth and fifth under the pictures and fill in the blanks. Pictures are given to you. You will put the ordinal numbers under these picture and then you will fill the blanks. So first we are putting the ordinal number, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now we have to fill the blanks. The dash is in the dash spot. What are these? These are books. The books are in the dash spot. Where the books are? In the second position. So we put the second here. Now we are talking about the calculator. The calculator is in the dash spot. What is the position of calculator? Third. Now we have a bell. The bell is in the dash spot. What is the position of the bell? It is on the first position. Now we have a globe. What we have? A globe. So what is the position of globe? Fifth. And then we have a color box. What is the position of color box or crayons? What is the position of crayons? Fourth. Okay. These are the ordinal numbers and we put the positions in the ordinal numbers. Now here we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay, first row we will complete the ascending order. In the second row we will do the descending order. I am just solving only one. You have to solve all the things on yourself. Okay, see the first one, we have the number 6, 8, 7, 5. So what does ascending means? Ascending means arrange the number from small to big. Ascending means arrange the numbers from small to big. So first we will write here 5, then 6, then 7 and then 8. These two will solve as in ascending order. So what will be in this row? We will write first 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. The last one we will write 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Now descending order. Descending means write the numbers from big to small. Write the numbers from big to small. So which number is bigger here? 18, then 17, 16 and 15. This is called the descending order. In the second row, we will write the first, which is the biggest number here, 74, then 73, 72, 71, 70. The last one, which number is bigger? 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. The next, count and draw the circles, write the numbers and find the sums. Here the circles are given to you, you will count them and you will write the answer. And then you have to also draw the circles. First we have how many circles? 3. We put the 3, then we have 2, we write the 2, so 3 plus 2 equal to 5. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. The second one we have 4 circles, we put the 4, and the next we have 3 circles, we put the 3. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Here the numbers are given to us, we have to put the circle, we have to draw the circle. First we have to draw the 4 circles. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to draw 2 circles. So 1, 2, we draw the 2 circles. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. In the next we have 3 circles. We write the 3. We have 2 circles and we write the 2. It's 3 plus 2 equal to 5. In the last one, the numbers are given. We have to draw the circles. First we will draw 3 circles. So 1, 2, 3. Then we have to draw the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what will be the answer? 3 plus 5? 8. Okay. Now the next one, subtract and write the correct number in the box. We have to subtract the numbers. I have shared these slides before in this topic subtraction. Okay, so the figures which are cancelled, we will drop them and we will just count the remaining one and put the answer. How many are remaining here? 1, 2, 3. So 7 minus 4 equal to 3. Next, how many are remaining? 1 and 2. We have 7 watermelons. We cancelled 5. So how many are remaining? 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are remaining. We have 8 chikus and we subtract 3 of them. How many are left? 5. Now we have a fruit. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have total 8. We cancelled 4. So how many are left? 4 are left. Now we have a brinjal. We have cancelled only 1. We have total 9 brinjals. We cancelled 1. So how many will be left? 8. How many will be left? 8. Okay, now the next one, add the numbers and write the correct answer. Add the numbers and write the correct answer. So 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Means we can make a same numbers by the different numbers. We can make the same numbers by the different numbers. Here we make the 7 by the different numbers and here we make the 5 by the different numbers. Now 0 plus 5, 5. Now we have to make the next number. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 6. So we make the 6 by the different numbers. Now we have to subtract the numbers. 5 plus 2, 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 7 minus 5, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 4, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 3, 5. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. This is the subtraction sum. Difference means subtract the number. Difference means subtract the numbers. Okay. Now we have the word problem. The first one I am just doing it very fastly. In the first one we have ice cream, 2 types of ice cream. First we have 220 ice cream cones and then we have 11 ice creams. So what will how many these ice cream in all together? How many will be in it all together? 31. 20 plus 11 equal to 31. In the second one, mom had some puddings and then she made two more. So now she has six puddings. How many did she made at the start? Mom had some puddings. She made two more, and the end she had six. So how many she will had at the starting? So how many we will add in the 2? So we will get the 6. We will add 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. Now in the next, there are two parrots in a tree. Then some more flew in. There were two and then some more come and flew in. So now there are four parrots. So how many we will add in 2? So we will get the answer 4. We will add 2. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. These were the additions. Now go to the subtraction one. There were 7 donuts. Karen ate some of them. Now there are 6 left. How many did she eat? We have 7 donuts. How many Karen ate? We have to find the number. How many Karen ate? How we will find? We will count the remaining one. How many are left? 6 are left. We have total in 7 and 6 are left. So how many she ate? She ate only one donut. Okay. Okay. The fifth one. Jonathan had 7 pencils and Susan had 18 pencils. How many more pencils did Susan have? Jackson has 7 and Susan has 18. So how many pencils Susan had than Jonathan? So 6 minus 18 equal to 12. Okay. 6 minus 18 minus 7 equal to 12. The last one, Jerry had some gift boxes, then she made 9 more. 9 pencil and she made 9 more. So at the end 16 are left. At the end 16 are left. So how many did she had it start with? She had 7. Okay. You will solve these all things on yourself by taking the screenshot of the slides. Okay. The last one is it is related to the fraction. Okay. Now we have to read the statement and put the tick. Which figure shows quarter? Quarter means the fourth equal part. Quarter means the fourth equal part. So which shape is in the form of quarter? First one. We put the tick on it. Second one, we have to put the tick of half. Half means two equal part. Half means two equal part. The last shape is divided into two equal parts. In the third one, we have to find the quarter one. Quarter means four equal parts. So first one is quarter. First one is quarter. Now, which figure shows the quarter? Here we again have to find the quarter. Last one is quarter. The fifth one we have half. Which is half? Last one is half. Okay. These were the today's lesson. Hope you have understood and remember or recall all the things. Now see the home task. Home task is do the write the counting in numbers from 1 to 300. Okay, I have told you you will write the counting from 1 to 300 and follow the pattern which I have shared you. These will do you in your fair copy. Do these all writing in your fair copy and do the fill in the blanks which I have shared you after the counting. Do the fill in the blanks which I have shared you after the counting. You will do these also in your fair copy and these are the from slide number 8. Fill in the blanks are on right 8. Now, thanks and have a nice day.